Hello, everyone. Welcome to my gamification assignment. My name is Gerard, and today I would be talking about learning a second language. So I went on to the site called digitaldialects.com, and as you can see, there are multiple languages to choose from. For this particular assignment, I chose Spanish. Spanish is a language that have always interested me. I've been trying to learn it for many years. I start and stop, and I have never really got into it so that I can become more fluent. So for the sake of this assignment, let's just dive right in. So I chose Spanish, and as you can see, it takes a few seconds to come up. And for this particular assignment, let's choose colors. So when it come up, there's a spelling quiz. But before you get to the spelling quiz, there's an opportunity for you to familiarize yourself with some of the pronunciations of the colors. So let's begin to play the game. Púrpura. So now if you pick the right color, it'll allow you to go further. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick the wrong one. So it'll tell me to try again. You see? So, so now it gets into the spelling. Red. Rojo. Hmm. Negro. So we get the gist of what it is that I'm trying to accomplish. Verde. Okay, so there we go.